I do know how to fish. I fished multiple times before.
Hey, no rocks, goddammit!
I hate you. I hate you. No, I love you. I love you. I love you.
Ow, man!
Don't go get any ideas, Matt.
She fell in.
Don't get any motherfucking ideas.
Ideas about what?
Huh?
What, throwing mud at you?
Don't even do it. I
Eh,
will kill you.
I'm alright.
You better be, 'cause I will kill you.
I'm not drunk enough to get that dirty.
You better not be. 'Cause I ain't doing that shit. I will kill you if you try to throw mud at me.
Dude, I've never done this before.
Time out! I'm in my fucking underwear here. Come on, you're gonna get sucked out with current.
What am I supposed to do if I get like a 15-pound cat on this motherfucker? You're gonna have to fight it for a long time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Close the shore.
I need to pass this differently. I can't sit here.